The process of bamboo farming to factory involves several key stages, from cultivation to final product manufacturing. Here's a comprehensive overview of the process. Site selection and preparation. Bamboo thrives in tropical and subtropical climates, but can adapt to temperate zones. Prefers well-drained, loamy soil with good organic content. Requires adequate rainfall or irrigation during dry periods. Propagation is done through seeds, rhizomes, or cuttings. Clumping varieties are preferred for easier management, usually planted with 3 to 5 meters between plants for optimal growth. Regular weeding, mulching, and fertilization promote growth. Bamboo reaches maturity in 3 to 5 years and can be harvested annually after that. Harvest mature culms, 3 to 6 years old. To ensure strength and durability, use manual or mechanized cutting tools to minimize damage to the root system for future growth. Cleaning and sorting remove dirt, leaves, and branches from harvested culms. Sort by size, thickness, and quality for specific applications. Cutting. Trim to standard lengths depending on use, e.g., poles, planks, or raw materials for further processing. Drying. Air dry or kiln dry to reduce moisture content and prevent cracking or pest infestation. Apply treatments like boric acid or lime to protect against insects, fungi, and decay. Heat treat for added durability and water resistance. Transport processed bamboo to factories for further refinement or manufacturing into end products. Bamboo is pulped, bleached, and processed into paper products. Split and shape bamboo into required forms for tables, chairs, etc. Bamboo strips are glued, pressed, and laminated to make planks. Bamboo is processed into viscose or lyocell fibers for fabrics. Bamboo is treated, shaped, and bundled into poles or panels for structural use. Products are assembled, sanded, polished, or coated with finishes like varnish, paint, or oils for durability and aesthetics. Inspect final products for consistency, strength, and appearance. Ensure compliance with industry standards for safety and quality. Packaging and distribution. Package finished products appropriately to prevent damage during transport. Distribute to local, national, or international markets based on demand. Waste management. Utilize waste for secondary products, e.g., bamboo charcoal, mulch, or bioenergy. Ensure eco-friendly disposal or recycling of unusable parts. Key advantages of bamboo farming. Sustainability. Bamboo regenerates quickly and can be harvested without replanting. Carbon sequestration absorbs large amounts of CO2 compared to trees. Versatility. Used in construction, textiles, furniture, paper, and more. Pest management and preservation techniques are crucial to maintain bamboo quality. Skilled labor is required for farming and processing. By carefully integrating each step, the bamboo farming to factory process can be efficient, eco-friendly, and highly profitable.
Welcome to Tech Machine, where we unravel the mysteries of industrial innovation. Today, we embark on a journey through the heart of manufacturing excellence, exploring the intricate process behind the creation of the top 5 farming essential machines in factories around the globe. Join us as we uncover the craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology that powers agricultural efficiency. As we conclude our expedition into the realm of machinery marvels, stay tuned for more captivating insights on Tech Machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on our exploration of innovation and technology.